for Badwam so na no pay and say me na doso the se fata salt ne boabo no ade ebro kete wese anye dodo urura bia na ye wala natural mineral water na ye sia konkom ye den sem no ebro sa wala de wanum bia wala o wala se jomancho Bernard Padibotwe me producers yamo akwa ba na ye kan sa na ye nhase fan fi obi man so ne emra fi me hwede ye koso fi enra Europa League and the Conference League Barcelona Chelsea Panathinaikos Jesha ho Chelsea no and Manchester United also ejana na so erese kobesha Fenerbahce am from 1-1. Then is the Takma Tottenham born 1-0 Roma winning 1-0 Slavia Prague at the club ebono eno ne de koso and Tottenham Hotspur so winning Nadia Nabi Bia straight me koye and of course Chelsea in a Conference League Boguma Panathinaikos Kanai Manitimo Bako. This weekend, Max Awodro Basu in a EPL interesting fixture. Arsenal near Liverpool. You're fixture stinging as yet. Aston Villa and a Bournemouth boss Saturday. Before that, Northern Forest, Aqua way to Leicester. No, and then you may 7 p.m. Brentford and Ipswich Town, Brighton, the Wolves, Manchester City, ni Southampton, and Everton, ni Fulham, and so they are going Chelsea versus Newcastle. Now for Crystal Palace, Tottenham Hotspur. West Ham United, Manchester United, then the big game, Arsenal, and Liverpool. We and it's an fixtures no city in the EPL. Yan call La Liga, near La Liga, so is Etienne. La Liga mo Español, Momone Sevilla, and Bovelado lead, and Villarreal, and Vallecano, and Deportivo Alaves, UD Las Palmas, and Girona, and a big game this weekend, Real Madrid, FC Barcelona. Madrid and Barcelona, after Munina, Coco have a wonderful European outing on my bafi the brim so classical for a long time classical near that said we are there no say we are there pa the Ganas Celta de Vigo Getafe and Valencia na Real Betis and Atletico de Madrid Real Sociedad and Osasuna Mallorca and Athletic Club Bilbao we ni sane La Liga and one semester na ko piemo the Serie A beba so then of course the French League A and I think so no the Akaka the German Bundesliga and so on. Now, good news about Tomo this week. And then about Tomo Ghana Brante Abdul Aziz Issa Menoka say he's been shortlisted say CAF Awards no Young Player of the Year. Yes, 2024 CAF Awards ni dia be pimu. Akase ye say Interclub Player of the Year, Coach of the Year, Club and Country of the Year, and a Player of the Year. To say yes, I say Young Player of the Year. Ghana near Abdulaziz Issa and a Timu Hano. Yes, Young Player of the Year, men. Now, young him and share the other category and Interclub Player of the Year. Ushima Abdulaziz and a John Entry of Dreams FC. On me, Najio Mudi, Ewo Musa, and the now, Okwanim called Coach of the Year, and I say Coach Akwesiapia, Ewa Hanomo. To say yes, Coach Shimo, Hugo Bruce, Florence Kembe. Brahim Tuare Mungina Ewu Muenye is there say Coach Kwasiapia able to me aja. The other categories a category Club of the Year Dreams FC Ewu Mubi. I said Dreams FC video or kwa Africa kwa yadi into Origin Mupa the likes of Simba Mone Tunis Nizama like Moniomona Epre Club of the Year. Ti Okopima Player of the Year Nansa Otela Nankasa Yaka Kanina Bumua CAF Player of the Year men Ashraf Hakimi Sufyan Rahimi. And of course, Simon Atingra, Mbemba, Gurasi, William Trostekon, captain of Nigeria, Ademola Lukman, FC Nigeria, Wumbia, Ghana for Wum Kakra, Maboba, international players, then they will be to me and P watchers. I don't need a cost. I will half hours on some and so now. Yanko Piemo were the Black Sharks of Ghana, and oh, yeah, beach soccer. I'm going to make them I saw a Mozambique by 5 goals. To 3, I say 5th position in there. Ya jabo so AFCON ase. And on the course so our beach soccer mo now. You feel the Ghanaian Premier League more this weekend international the Mediama Sporting Club. Doma Adriana Stars now they are so match the 8th of the Ghanaian Premier League coach Nebosha Kapo. Who say a tough game, but on bet imagine na nice so many Adriana Bewia.
Ghana is very good team. They didn't start perfect this season, but doesn't matter. If you remember last season, they were one of the best teams, especially on home ground. And we are preparing like they are in the best form now. And this team will really on the ground bring excellent ideas, excellent energy. They have a lot of advantages in the game, especially in head-to-head, how we like to tell it. But also we have a lot of positive things, and we will find a way how to this training session also we little bit prepare for this match, and really players did excellent, and I am positive and I am thinking we will get ready for this match, and we will bring their excellent energy and excellent ideas, and we will be perfect opponent in this match.
Right, and somebody boss had yet to your coach of Medema. Tomani Adriana Nebona, Eco Pimo, or the other game be so because of Medema, Eco Tomadiana Instructorman, Eco Heart of Lions, no on their copy so Bando. Assistant coach at the Instructorman, Richard Afuaqua, or say Vim and Vogon, or the Cosa game anymore.
Yeah, it's true, say a winning away match so far, but you may win it, okay? Last season, I've been winning most away games with 6, right? So definitely, we have a lot of games and a lot of away games, and definitely you are going to win about 7 games. And Lions, you are not going to draw. We want to go and get a win.
Right, but on the chairman, the two assistant coach, now you feel the inquiry other fixtures this weekend. Okopima, Legon State is near Accra Lions, Basel next 7 p.m. University of Ghana Stadium. Now face or China Nations Division aboard Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. As of Gold Stars, University of Ghana Stadium, that match. I know better. Gold Stars, the league leaders, has of go share so benya the first win in a while. Bechem United. And Karela Nebo Baseke, Holy Stars near Sante Kotoko 3 p.m. Consider Camp Park. Young Apostles Dreams FC when Chisport Stadium. Heart of Lions in Swaterman, Basso Mando, Nafi Adriana, and Medema, Abasso Najaman, but the first park, Samates, and become Chelsea Airport 1 Century Sports Arena. Yes, we are match day 8 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Shane Somame, say Division 1 morning at the Adena course on Ano, a draw, or say Division 1 for never can't. More Canon Division 2 for no one you more sharp Premier for now. Quite United, when United, them when you easy crash. Sending us on some ABC Corkai. Shannon said a Joint Sports Invitational Tournament at Basel this weekend, University of Ghana Stadium. It's a more than den. My catch out, 18 competition, major more than den. Funo, and I made me banner the Brodo Apple by mini. Men are representing multimedia 18 competition. What I say? I know I'm to me career, my ball, my tumerica, may okay, language me multilingual. Heptathlon athlete na mijana. Me ye bi BABDD count. Nti munhia me University of Ghana Stadium na NDD. Why? Me bi abe fine. Eti anwa sama no na wala natural mineral water omo ye sponsors abrebi omo kan homa ye den sam no de bre wala. One nom wala. E wala. So you are assured say emu ye krogen a. The day you ni Jordan mo oboru mo gina na nan so. E wala natural mineral water omo ye sponsors abrebi omo kan homa. I'm here to someone dear bro, Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padibo, producers, Kejuan Cassani, Erica Sidu Bury. Pacho, me we saw the Anea Pomodion some, and a day twice we are not the Akaba, Bejamni, Koswashing.